Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and for today's tutorial I am going to show you how to make this beautiful, very attractive, colorful roses. It's actually really easy, and look how pretty is this, right? You can use this for your different projects. I have a project that I have wanted to use this, and I'll show it to you when I'm done, but as of now I'm gonna show you how to make these roses. It's really pretty easy. So for this particular project we are going to use, or I am going to use, a number 4 medium 100% acrylic yarn, and of course number 5 hook, or in US it's H8. Okay, so what we need to do first is to create a slip knot. So after we create a slip knot, let's begin by making a 70 single crochet, a single stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that we made our 70 single chain, make a double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook. So what you need to do is you skip, we don't count this as a chain, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 4th chain we are going to do a double crochet. And then chain 1, skip 1 chain, and then double crochet in the next chain. Again, chain 1, and then skip 1 and double crochet in the next chain. So chain 1, skip 1, and then double crochet on the next. So it should look like this, and you are going to work your way across. And go ahead and pause this video and come back later when you're done with your work. So once you're done with your round 1, this is how it should look like. We are going to begin row 2. For row 2, you chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then turn your work. After you turn your work, double crochet on top of the double crochet. So okay, double crochet on top of the first double crochet, chain 2, and then double crochet again on top of the next double crochet. So it should look like this. So 1, 2, double crochet on top of the next double crochet, and you continue working across until you reach the other end, and go ahead and do yours and come back when you're done with your row 2. So this is how our row 2 looks like, or our project looks like, when we're done with our row 2. So now we are going to do row 3. For row 3, chain 1, turn your work. Let me just fix this. Turn your work and then 1 single crochet on the first chain. So there you go. I did a 1 single crochet on the first chain, then chain 3, and then the space between the chain 2 space here, you see that? You will make 3 double crochet. So we're going to use this like call this a cluster. So this is our first cluster, 3 double crochet. You see that? And then single crochet on top of the next double crochet. There you go. And then chain 3. And then again 3 double crochet inside the 2 chain space or around. There you go. And then single crochet on top of the next double crochet. So this is how your project should looks like, and you go ahead and continue the pattern until you reach the end, and I'll meet you when you get here. So this is how our project should looks like once we did all the pattern all the way across. So now we're going to do the last stitch or the last part. So after you single chain, or after you did a single crochet on top of the last double crochet, we chain 3 again, and then 3 double crochet in the, this is the 5 chains that we did when we started row 2, right? So this is where we're going to put the 3 double crochet. So I got 1, 2, and 3, and then we will put single crochet on the 3rd chain from the bottom of round 2. So 1, 2, 3, single crochet here, and then fast enough and pull a tail, leave enough tail for sewing, probably like 12 inches, like a ruler or more than is good. And secure, tighten it up, and there you have it. This is our this is gonna be our rose petal. So what we need to do next is to use this tapestry needle and then we'll start turning. So I'm going to sew like on the very first, the bottom row, Here I'm going to sew the yarn to fold this very first petal. This is our very first fold, and then after we do that, we are going to start folding or rolling, however you call this. See this? Just roll. You see that? There you have it. And then we are going to sew in. You can start however you would like to start to secure the petals or your rose petals, but I always start here in this side, the flap, and then I just sew across, and I make sure that I get all the layers. Just make sure that when you're sewing, just get all the layers. And then after that, I'll arrange the petals so it would look pretty. And then I will secure this by tying them together. Cut it off. And there you have it.